Obviously not the girl out your league. I know that I'm not just like them other girls.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley MONAE. Welcome to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified when I do post. On this channel, I will be posting beauty videos, lifestyle videos, and vlogs. And also, you know, I would like to vlog my journey as I conquer my goals as a woman, mom, entrepreneur, wife, all that. So don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Alright, so I know why you guys clicked on this video. It's because you want the tea on how I created my dream vanity from scratch. No, I didn't need $200, $300 to create this vanity. You pretty much just need to use your imagination, you need to use your creativity, and also just have a vision. So if you do need inspiration, I highly suggest you hop on Google, you Google vanities, and whatever vanity you like, you save it to your photos, look back on it when you're shopping for your decor, your desk, and mirror, and that will make the process way easier. So yeah. So now I will show you my dream vanity and give you this tea on how I created it. So guys, here is my beautiful, lovely, glamorous vanity that I have created from scratch. It was all a dream at first and then it became reality. So what I really do love about this vanity is the quotes that I have: with God all things are possible. That is so true, because without him I wouldn't have been able to create this channel. I wouldn't be breathing right now. So that is so true. Also, I have inhale confidence, exhale doubt. That's very true, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna start off with is the desk. You guys, I got this desk from OfferUp for $10. If you don't know what OfferUp is a app or a website where you post your used things, and some people post their stuff for dirt cheap. So I definitely feel like $10 was a win, because this really looks like a nice IKEA desk. Like, it even has that space where I can put my books, because not only do I use this as a vanity, I use it for, you know, studying and just doing makeup as well. Okay guys, next I have this mirror. This mirror I actually got outside at the dumpster at my old apartment. Yes, it was free. Yes, another man's trash is another man's treasure. So don't forget to get anything. So don't be afraid to get anything out of the dumpster, you guys. Just do not be afraid, because look what I got. Once I got the mirror and the desk, I really seen my vision come into life, okay? Next, I had got my lights. I got these lights from Amazon, okay? Got these lights from Amazon. They were $20 a set, depending on how, you know, how big your mirror is, what look you're going for, how bright you want it. That's going to determine how much, you know, you pay for your lights. But as for me, I paid $40 for 2 sets of lights, and I'm gonna show you guys how these work. Excuse all these cords. So pretty much it's like a touch, turn on, turn off type thing. You touch this button. It comes with like 2 cords adapted to each other, and it has a little piece where you plug up to an outlet, and it has so many hours that, you know, you could use the lights, but mine still haven't ran out. And you know, I only use it to do my makeup and stuff, so I really feel like these are good lights. The only thing that I don't like about them is that they're not sticking to my mirror. Some of them are falling off, and I don't know why they focus. I don't know why they keep falling off, but they just do. Okay, so yeah, if you want these lights, I will put the link below. No, I'm not sponsored, but I would love to help a sister out, so I will put the link below for these lights. Next, I have my decor, okay? So I'm gonna tell you what I got and where I got it from. This mirror right here, this jewelry box, this picture, this candle, got it all from Burlington. That was $5.99, this was $5.99. That jewelry box was like $7.99. This necklace, whatever thing, was $5.99. So pretty much, I want to say at Burlington I spent about $20 on my decor from Burlington. I also have this thing that I also have this that I put together from Dollar Tree. I got the glass jar from Dollar Tree, also the rocks and the flowers. I made my own little whatever thingamajigger. But then I also got this plant from IKEA. It was only $3. But really, you know, you don't have to spend how much I spent. I would just say be creative, because you can literally go to the dollar store and your stuff could be looking like this just from the dollar store. But you know, I wanted to be fancy. I had the money at the time, so I was like, let me go to Burlington. But it's crazy because that set right there, I actually found it in different places at Burlington, and I felt like it was so weird that I found a set at Burlington in totally different places, especially since the store is so big. Yeah, I definitely feel like that was so dope how I found that. Okay guys, next I got this plastic drawer set. Excuse all this junk in it, but if you're anything like me, you have a lot of straighteners, curling irons, wands, hair supplies, makeup, so you need extra storage. This thing I actually got from Walmart for $8. Such a win. It's a 3-drawer cart. It has wheels to it, but I didn't put the wheels on it. But yeah, this thing really came in handy. It fit perfectly under my desk. And yeah, so this mirror, so next I have this rug. This rug is actually very wide, but I kind of folded it up because I wanted more of a clean look. But yeah, this rug I got from Walmart for $20. You do not have to go to Walmart to get a rug. You literally go on Wish or go to Michael's, go to Joann's and create one. You can create one on your own, you know, for like $8. So you do not have to spend one. You don't have to spend $20 on one like I did. Okay. Next, I have this chair. I got it from IKEA for only $24. I had got a gift card, so I had a gift card, so I was like, hey, I'll spend $24 on a chair. Plus, I wanted like a nice look for my vanity, so I didn't want just any chair sitting up here. And this is just so comfortable. It's so perfect, and I just love it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. So comment below if you have anything to say, okay? Any suggestions, video ideas, anything like that. I'm out.